Hey everyone! So I am making keto pizza, and I just wanted to share with you, I found this recipe off of Pinterest, and I will provide the details to make sure I give them credit. But what I'm doing right now is I am cooking Johnsonville Italian sausage mild. And right now I'm going to start making the crust. I'm also making a garlic olive oil butter blend that I like to butter the crust with once I bake it in the oven. So that's that. I'm just boiling it. I probably put about 2 tablespoons of garlic, a stick of butter, and maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm just kind of simmering it, just infusing the garlic in there. So yummy. So I'm just gonna cook this, and then I'll be back to show you how I make the pizza crust. Okay, so hi, welcome back. I just want to show you the rest of the ingredients that you're going to need, and you're going to need baking powder, and the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to use this mozzarella, 1 cup of almond flour, so I'm going to use this. Got this at Smart Final. And then Italian seasoning, which I like to put more in the dough, gives it that more authentic taste. And then I love this pizza sauce. It's so good. And you're only gonna need about 2 tablespoons of this. And yeah, I'm excited. Oh, and 1 egg. And I'll be back to show you how I put it all together. Hey guys, welcome back. I know I'm looking a hot mess. It's on a Tuesday and I have really no makeup on, or my hair is like this, but whatever. But also remember to get your favorite toppings, and I have to look in the camera right there. So get your favorite toppings, whatever you want on your pizza. You can do bell peppers, you can do sausage, pepperonis, onion, jalapenos, just whatever toppings that you want to go ahead and have them ready to be put on your pizza as well. Okay, so then you're going to grab your cream cheese, and it calls for 2 ounces, I believe. Let me just make sure. 1 ounce. So you're gonna do 1 ounce of cream cheese. So you see how they are pre-measured on here. You can see the lines right there. Trying to zoom in. Can't seem to do it, but whatever. So I'm gonna do 1 ounce of cream cheese here. 1 ounce of cream cheese. I'm gonna add it to a microwave safe bowl, because you're going to microwave the cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese together. Now, it calls for 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and I kind of just eyeball it. A handful is about a cup. So I'm gonna add the 2 cups to my clean hands. Don't worry, my hands are clean. And we're going to microwave it for 45 seconds. So while that is microwaving, we are going to prepare. I'm skinny yet. Okay, so now that it's microwaved, for 45 seconds, you're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to do the 1 egg. 1 egg. We're also going to need garlic powder. So it says about 1 teaspoon, but I like a lot of garlic, so I'm just going to, eyeball it in there. I'm also going to add the Italian seasoning to it as well. Actually, like a lot. Boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Okay. So we're gonna do the almond flour, which we're going to need 1 cup of almond flour. So I'm gonna use my Brokeback measuring cup. And I'm going to measure 1 cup of almond flour. don't know why I just smelled it right now. I just wanted to see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything. Okay. And then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of the baking powder. So go ahead and add that in there. This is to, of course, make it rise. Make it rise. And then you're going to combine everything together. I'm going to mix it here. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to mix everything together. It's well incorporated. So simple, guys. This really is super simple. It gives you an amazing flavored crust, especially with the garlic powder and the Italian seasoning. And it, to me, and even my daughter tasted it, it tastes like garlic bread. I mean, you can dip it. You can make garlic bread out of this. So I'm just making sure everything is well incorporated in here. One day they'll have smell-o-vision. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of sticky, but that's okay. And in the recipe it says you can grease your hands or to get it working, but it's gonna form. Okay, so I have the crust here, and I forgot the step that you have to put 2 parchment papers together, and then you use a rolling pin. Where's my rolling pin? I have a rolling pin somewhere. Oh, that's what happened. It's hot out there. You're recording right now. So you're gonna take a rolling pin here. I actually have these ends here that you're supposed to roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out here, just really gently. Try to keep the circle formation, and then once you put it on the baking pan, you could just use your hand and just continue forming it into a pizza dough look. So I am just rolling it. Rolling with the homies. Okay. Okay, so it did come out a little bit more. I actually put it on the broiler. So after you put the crust in the oven for 10 minutes, you take it out. I brushed it. I put my favorite toppings, and then now I baked it. So it came out. I left it in the broiler because I got a phone call. But this is the pizza. It is so delicious. Even when you refrigerate it after a couple days and you warm it up in the microwave, I mean, if you love pizza like I love pizza, you are going to love this keto pizza. It's so good. So good. Sorry for the background noise. I have a teenager.